In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change who can follow you on Facebook. Alright, so let's get started by opening up Facebook and making sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main page, go ahead and click on your profile so you can access your personal settings and controls. Now that we're on your profile, look for the settings and privacy option. Go ahead and click on that and it will expand into a few more options. From here, we're going to move into the section called Audience and Visibility, so click on that to continue. Once you're inside Audience and Visibility, you'll see different settings related to who can see your content and how people interact with your profile. The one we want to focus on is followers and public content, so go ahead and click on that. At this point, you'll see an option labeled Who Can Follow Me. Click on that and it will give you a choice of who is allowed to follow your account. From here, you'll want to select Public if you want anyone on Facebook to be able to follow you. After selecting Public, go ahead and click Save to apply the changes. Once that's saved, your follower settings will be updated and people will be able to follow your profile based on the option you selected. And that's really all there is to it. You start by going to Facebook, then opening your profile, heading into Settings and Privacy, navigating to Audience and Visibility, selecting Followers and Public Content, clicking Who Can Follow Me, choosing Public, and then saving your changes. It's a simple adjustment, but it gives you control over who can follow your updates and content. If you ever want to change it again, you can come back to the same section and update it to a different option whenever you like. So now your Facebook follow settings are configured the way you want and you've successfully updated who can follow your profile.